So we just got our next order, guys. It's a dining room table, flared leg. Let me show you how this is done. First thing we've got to do is pick out a couple of these live edge boards. See which ones we're going to use. The customer has requested the pine, which we have right here on top. I've got about a dozen more pieces of metal to finish the roof. I think it's time. Anyway, back to the wood. Look at this one, man. I'm gonna take all of these. It's time to edge a few of these. Make some 2x6s or 2x8s. We're going to use this as one of our live edges. And this is the other one. Okay guys, you're the first to see it. We've got it laid out. This is the top. This is how it's gonna look. We were able to take that one piece and match those knots right there. When I glue these up, I flip them upside down. So the top will be facing down over here on the clamps. Show you what I mean. while you're taking time to make some reference marks underneath, so that we make sure to line up those knots. This will make sure we line up those knots. I use regular wood glue, just a regular wood glue. What did I say? Regular wood glue. Nothing special. Nothing fancy. I gotta clean up here. Okay, here we go. Just made sure to cover that. I've just made sure we cover that really solid. Start on one end or the other. Once you've lined it up, you may have to get on it. Now we're going to add clamps right between those. That's a nice glue up right there. Need to get a little more pressure right here. Okay guys, so while that dries, let's get over there and weld up the legs.